guys, nandito na kami.
I crashed my car the other day, too busy thinking about your face, even though I just saw you yesterday. Yeah, it's sad as it I don't do nothing for myself. You make me turn up late for work again.
Charas Garden. Pwede siyang pagkamitan ng mga event party.
Talking about you, yeah.
Venue sa mga kasama.
To all of my friends at the
I love Charas Garden.
Oh, I hate how much I love you, and I hate how much I care. I spend all of my money and all my time, 'cause I hate, I love, I do. I hate how much I love you. Yeah, I hate how much I love you. I hate how much I love you. I emptied out my bank account just so that I could take you out to somewhere that you've never been before. And I told my friends 1,000 lies so I could be with you tonight. They don't believe a word I say no more. Ooh, yeah. I'm talking about you, yeah. I told myself I wouldn't fall, but I broke my own. Ooh, yeah. I can't come back. Oh, I hate how much I love you, and I hate how much I care. I spend all of my money and all my time, 'cause I hate, I love, I do. I hate how much I love you. Yeah, I hate how much I love you. I hate how much I love you, yeah. When you're not around me, I swear I got nothing to do, yeah. It's making me wonder what I did before I had you, yeah. I can't go back. Oh, I hate how much I love you, and I hate how much I care. I spend all of my money and all my time, 'cause I hate, I love, I do. I hate how much I love you. Yeah, I hate how much I love you. I hate how much I love you. I hate how much I love you. I hate how much I love you.
Once I was 7
Oh, game.
years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7
Carrera
years
2021.
old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger, pushing each other to the limits. We were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me, 'cause only those I really love will ever really know me. I only see my goals, I don't believe my goals, I don't believe in failure, 'cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. and soul. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman got children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still sadly soon I'll be 60 years old. My brother, 61, remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, Mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven couldn't wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Let us die young, or let us live forever. Don't have the power, but we'll never say never. Sitting in
One more
the
time, jump.
pit,
1, 2, 3, go!